We receive a lot of calls regarding medical malpractice. We have people call our office all the time wanting to know, was something done wrong, whether it be a medical treatment that went wrong, whether it be a diagnosis that was the wrong diagnosis, or a delayed diagnosis. And when something bad happens to somebody in a hospital or doctor setting, it becomes very complicated and hard to understand whether or not medical negligence or medical malpractice was committed. We're not doctors. What we're able to do to help somebody, though, is to hire doctors to look at medical records, to investigate what happened. Medical malpractice requires proof that a doctor deviated or a hospital deviated from what they call the standard of care. And what the standard of care is what a reasonable physician or hospital would do under the same or similar circumstances. So what would a reasonable doctor done under these circumstances? That's the question that has to be answered. And many of the times that can only be answered with the help of experts. And that's why we have the resources to find the type of experts willing to be critical of other doctors. And in New Jersey and in Pennsylvania, there are special laws that make it more difficult to bring malpractice cases, and that's important to understand. In New Jersey, it's called the Affidavit of Merit. In Philadelphia or in Pennsylvania, it's called the Certificate of Merit. And what that says is that before you can bring a medical malpractice or medical negligence case, you need to have an expert say whether or not malpractice was committed. I am always amazed at the medical breakthroughs and what is going on in medicine. And everybody trusts and loves their doctors. But mistakes are made. Doctors and hospitals aren't perfect. We, at the very least, hope that if we are unable to undertake representation of a client, we can at least provide them some answers or some explanation as to what happened. If you suspect that you or a loved one was the victim of medical malpractice or medical negligence, please call us for a free consultation. We will set up an in-person meeting to answer your questions, understand your story, and help you move forward.